Many times we think about which is healthy and unhealthy food. There are lots of myths are related to food. Today we are going to figure out some of myths about food. High-fat foods are unhealthy or eating fat leads to weight gain. If you don't get enough fat in your diet, you may notice symptoms such as dry rashes, hair loss, a weaker immune system, and issues related to vitamin deficiencies. Therefore, it is important to maintain fat in human body. White potatoes are unhealthy. It considered as unhealthy food by many nutrition while losing weight or improve overall health. While eating too much of any food, including white potatoes, can lead to weight gain, these starchy tubers are highly nutritious and can be included as part of a healthy diet. White potatoes are an excellent source of many nutrients, including potassium, vitamin C, and fiber. Eating healthy along with maintaining taste is difficult, but I have a solution for you. Enjoy delicious, sugar-free, low-carb desserts and still be on keto. There are lots of benefits of keto such as supports weight loss, improves acne, may reduce risk of certain cancers and lots of another. Now it's finally possible to be on the keto diet without having to sacrifice our favorite desserts. If you want to explore more about keto desserts, click on the link given in description. If you the product you will get 2 additional bonus, so don't wait. Back to the topic. You have to be skinny to be healthy. Many times we think that skinny is always healthy than other, but it's not true as it looks. Healthy person means who have appropriate amount of minerals, protein, fats, etc. Maintaining a healthy body weight and body fat percent by consuming a nutritious diet and maintaining an active lifestyle is most important. Like this video, share it, and for more content subscribe to channel. Thanks for watching the video.